Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a customizable search engine. What that will do is create a Google search bar that will only search certain given websites. So this can be really useful for your students, especially if you are linking to this search bar or embedding it and on a Google site. You can narrow down the websites that you are allowing them to search specific to a unit, or it could be a class as a whole. So I'm a math teacher. I could make a customizable search engine that would search certain websites for all Algebra 2 topics, or I might want to narrow it down to a unit within that Algebra 2 course, so maybe just trigonometry. So first thing you want to do is search programmable search engine. And I'll click get started. So you can see I already have a couple in here. I'm going to add another one. I'll name this one trigonometry. And I'll add things in for trigonometry. So here I'm going to search, let's see, Khan Academy trigonometry. And so you can see they have a whole section just for trig. So I would want to let my students search anything within that trig section. So I'll add that in. And then I can search trigonometry help and get some useful videos here. So I really like Math is Fun. So I'll link to this introduction to trigonometry, or let's see, they have an index for trigonometry. This is where all the topics for trigonometry are found. So this is the one that I want to link to. Another site I like is Purple Math. And so I might find some specific topics in trigonometry here, or I could link directly to Algebra 2 as a whole so that I'm not forced into a smaller unit on that one. So I think I'll link to this here. The identities. And you can add as many as you want. Our language here I have in English, and we're searching for trigonometry. You can on the side edit your search, one that you already created if you wanted to. So I'm going to create that here. So I can get a code, I can get a public URL. For now, I'm going to just get a public URL so that this is what would appear if you were to embed it on a website. And I might just type in law of sines. So you can see there are some advertisements at the top, but down below that line you can start seeing we're searching Khan Academy, Math is Fun, Khan Academy. So those are the websites that I chose to add in there. Another search, let's do new triangles. And again, you can see lots from Khan Academy on that. And you can go through the tabs. I mean, obviously there are more search results here. A lot of them are from Khan Academy. Or let's see, identities. And we have Khan Academy, Purple Math. And you can advance through your options. Math is Fun is right there. So this is really useful, especially for students who can, in a regular Google search, you could see like endless results, and they don't know how to narrow down to what is important and what is not important. So you've helped them narrow down to already pre-approved useful sites that you have tested and known, and they have great content.